watching! You don't want to spend the rest of your lives in detention! You'll get me out of here!
I can't believe Kilobyte would do this to Chesbro.
Believe it, dude. Kilobyte's got the power to put people in the game.
Yeah, well, at least I've still got this. Which means we've still got a chance of winning.
What about Chesbro?
Maybe the master programmer could save him. After all, he created this mess of a world.
You mean Rick? Not likely, bro. Rick's gone AWOL.
You'll never get me, Kilobyte! We'll never get in here! Ever!
Never say never.
Oh, no! No! To me! I made you!
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Dude, this stuff is unbelievable.
Maybe we shouldn't be going to school today. We should be...
Going to the carnival? All right, Mark, start talking. What's going on with Ace Lightning in the carnival?
Do not tell her, dude. She's bluffing. She doesn't know anything.
Yes, she does. Besides, I don't want to tell her any more lies. I promise I'll tell her. And I will. I'll tell you everything. Right after class.
Until now, we've been hunting Lightning Knights. From this moment forth, we hunt for mortals.
Can we eat them?
Too quick and painless. We're sending them into the 6th dimension, along with what's left of the Lightning Knights.
So that's what this is all about. I gotta tell Ace.
Tonight, the rides at the carnival are free to lure as many mortals into our lair as possible. Once they've gathered, we will emerge from the shadows to claim this world as our own.
And they'll break little mortals, and they'll break them all!
Sorry, guys. Places to go, people to save.
Stop her now.
It's not gonna happen!
Rocket don't have a leg to stand on.
Allow me. Hey! No!
Perfect. More bait to set the trap for Lightning. To the carnival!
Sorry, Sparksy. The best woman won. Now Ace is mine.
You can't tell her.
I can and I will. Besides, she already knows.
Yeah, she knows, but she doesn't know what she knows. She's been talking about mutants, okay? She doesn't know anything about characters from a video game coming to life.
Yeah, well, she will when I tell her the truth, won't she?
Which girl are you lying to now?
Heather, have you seen Kat?
Yeah, that sneaky scammer got permission to skip class to do some interview for the paper.
Interview? Who's she talking to?
Sorry, Mark. Us journalists never reveal our sources. But why should you care? She is so over you.
Swamp gas. It fools people all the time.
Well, it's not fooling me.
Look, kid, I'm telling you, don't poke your nose into places that don't belong.
The name's Cat, not Kid. And where are you hiding the mutants?
You don't want to know.
Well, then I'll find them myself.
Ooh, well, that'll be easy.
I'm ready for my close-up.
Fresh meat.
You don't want to do that. I'm with the media. I'll put you in the paper. On the cover.
And I've got your headline. Freaked out girl helps Kilobyte capture Ace Lightning.
Tough break, kid. But like they say, curiosity killed the cat.
Careful, my lordship. You'll break the keys. Just like my broken spirit, Kilobyte has cast me aside. All I have left is my symphony of fear.
The only thing you have to fear is me.
What now? Haven't you humiliated me enough?
I want you to fulfill your destiny and help me destroy Ace Lightning.
You want me to annihilate Ace Lightning?
No, you haven't earned that right. That triumph will be mine and mine alone. But you must lure Lightning to the carnival for his final night on Earth.
I'd be honored, Kilobyte. Oh, to have come this far and be denied your final victory? You must be heartbroken, my lord. The game's not over yet, my simpering staff. For tonight will be my triumph in more ways than one.
Sparks, where are you? First random virus, and now Sparks. Kilobyte!
Hey, Mark. Hey. Wait. Did Kat come back?
I don't know, and I don't care.
Well, you could at least tell me where she went.
We've been over this 100 times. I don't like you.
She went to the carnival.
Did I say you could talk?
Thanks, Brad. Sorry. Heather!
If the aliens beam me into this miserable planet, there must be some way to beam me out of here. So there's really nothing to be afraid of. Unless they're going to probe me. Get away from me!
Rick? Dude? Rick? Dude? Rick, hello, you there?
Help me! Help me!
Well, if it isn't Sleeping Beauty. I'm Sparks.
I don't believe this. Where am I?
That's Random Virus. He's got some anger issues. Hey, buzz off!
Let me out of here! Anybody, help! Help!
Sorry, folks. This area's closed. Go spend some money on the Midway. That's right. Sorry. Go on. Beat it.
I have to find Ace.
No more games, Skullface. What are you doing here?
I'll make it simple, Lightning. Kilobyte sent me to destroy you. No, not here, you moron. The ambush is at the carnival.
Why are you telling me this?
Because the only being I hate more than you is Kilobyte. He's far too strong for either of us to defeat on our own. But together we can destroy him. I'll get my carnival back, and you can save your little mortal friends. What do you say? Do we have a deal? Partner?
Deal.
How could you make a deal with Lord Fear? He's only gonna double-cross you, you know that.
No kidding, kid, but I can't beat Kilobyte without him, so what do I have to lose?
How about everything?
Mark! Mark! Check this out, dude.
Mayday! Mayday! SOS! Get me out of here!
Kilobyte sucked Rick into the game, just like Chesborough, and that's where he wants to send the rest of us.
What, you mean like me, you, and Ace?
No, dude, I mean the entire human race. He wants to put us all into the game so that he can take over the planet. It's his master plan. Doesn't anybody have a master plan that isn't evil?
Just calm down, Chuck. Look, we're gonna go to the carnival. You try and get as much as you can out of Rick.
I'm in here! I'm in
Ace, you coming?
I know this place. That's the circus where I fought Googler. That's my world. The sixth dimension is... It's just a game? I know you tried to tell me before, but I never understood. I'm not real. I don't belong here.
Yes, you do. It doesn't matter where you came from. You're my friend. You have feelings. You're a hero, and heroes never let you down.
Where'd you get that line?
From you. I've learned a lot from you, Ace. Now it's time to do right and fear not. Let's kick some butt.
Rick, how do I get you out?
Find the disc called Kilobyte Program 3. It reverses the data stream and opens a backdoor into our world.
A disc that reverses a data stream and saves the world. I hope you backed that up.
Chuck, listen, you have to find the disc before Kilobyte gets the last piece of the amulet. After that, he's too powerful and it won't work.
I'm all over it, dude.
No, don't minimize me, no!
So, Mark didn't say anything because he wanted to protect me?
It's part of the code of the Lightning Knight. Protect anyone who can't protect themselves.
This is gonna sound crazy, of course. All this sounds crazy, but you and this Ace guy, are you, like, together?
No. Ace loves Lady Illusion. He just doesn't know it.
It started.
What started?
The final battle.
Hey. Aren't you a little old to play superhero?
Listen, Heather, I haven't got a lot of time for this right now. I'm kind of busy.
Come on, Brett. Let's let Super Loser save the world.
No.
Excuse me?
Look, Heather, I don't know what Mark's doing, but even if he has lost his mind, it doesn't give you the right to talk to me or him or anybody else the way you do. You're nothing but a pig face.
What?
Duck! Whoa. What was that? It's a long, crazy story. Wait, where are you going? To save Cat.
We are so over.
Fine by me. You're way too snotty.
video games, but I don't want to live in one.
Hugo! Oh, Mr. Hugo, please, I beg you. Please, don't leave me alone in this terrible place. I want to go home. The earth needs me. I need the earth.
I'm free. I'm free. I must warn the others.
The aliens are attacking!
It's the end of the world! The end of the world! Save yourself! Run for the hills! The sky is falling! It's falling! I'm telling you! Save yourself, you big galoot!
You're about to get the boot! Come back here!
Get back to your dirt bed, you walking dead guy.
Now ain't that something? You didn't call me a zombie. You called me Walking Dead. I've been waiting my whole Walking Dead life for someone to call me that. Yeah! Thanks, partner!
My pleasure.
Help! Help! Come on, Chuck! Hurry up! Come on, Chuck! Help!
Okay, Rick, you're next. I'll just have to reboot.
You can thank me later, Ace.
Cat!
Be careful!
Cat, are you okay?
All things considered, I'm fine.
Listen, Cat, I can explain.
Too late. Sparks beat you to it.
I'm sorry. I wanted to tell you.
No, I'm sorry. I didn't understand.
It's all right. Okay, let's get you out of here.
The final piece of the amulet of Zor. The hunt is over. The power is mine.
Okay, Rick, here goes.
No, Chuck, don't leave me here! Chuck, don't leave me!
Gonna Googlerize lightning, and fear's gonna help.
Not tonight, my grinning ghoul.
Nice shot, partner. Let's do it.
Now at last, the ultimate confrontation, the moment of reckoning. You are about to become extinct.
I knew you'd do it, my baby, and I was with you all the way. Oh!
Blast him, Ace!
You still don't have the power to destroy me. Game over, Lightning.
Try it like this. Game over, Kilobyte.
What fear?
The very same.
It wouldn't rob me of my glory.
No!
Yes!
It's over.
Yes, Lightning. It is.
No!
Hurts.
Lovely shot, your lordship. Sorry, Ace. It was my destiny to destroy you.
I'm sorry too, Fear, but I've got a destiny of my own.
Ace!
What's going... Lady Illusion? I think it's time to leave.
This is for Lady Illusion.
Oh, no!
Why'd you do it?
Because I knew he'd betray you. And because I love you.
It should have been me.
Oh, Ace. Those human emotions, they made you weak. Before I go, I have the power to take them away. My last gift to you.
No, let me keep them. The emotions, what I'm feeling for you now. That's the real gift.
For more on the hysteria that gripped the Kent Brothers Carnival, we turn to reporter Connie Woodward.
Thanks, Tom. Well, it's been a night of mayhem here at this old carnival on the outskirts of Conestoga Hills, where several people claim to have been attacked by a giant pig. But police now say the riot was sparked by Horace Chesborough, a deranged science teacher from Conestoga Hills High School. Earlier today, we caught up with carnival owner Duff Kent. Mr. Kent, tell us what happened.
People got a whiff of swamp gas. It went to their head. We're a family-friendly carnival. We don't have any aliens or mutants here. Never have, never will.
Thank you, Mr. Kent. Thank you very much. Meanwhile, the search continues for Horace Chesborough. Anyone who has seen this man is asked to call police immediately. Back to you, Tom.
So, Kilobyte's gone and Lord Fear is on the run. They were defeated because Lady Illusion sacrificed herself to save Ace. She cared more about someone else than about herself. And in the end, isn't that what really makes a hero?
It's just a game. It's just a game. I should know. I'm the master programmer.
You were the master programmer. I'm the master now, and I won't rest until you take us back to the Carnival of Doom.
Get me out of here! Help me!